I'm gonna show you in this video that why fuel chem adjustment is necessary for the operation of a boiler. If we consider it for the operation of furnace, in this power plant we have a balanced of furnace for the efficiency of optimization of the fuel and for the optimization of the boiler also. So in order to prevent several costs, this power plant has equipped with fuel reheating system. As we noted, several fuels like high state diesel or furnace oil has to be burned according to their temperature condition. So in this regards, this fuel reheating system is also equipped with that certain amendments by which the power plant and the furnace is also operated. You can say it. These are certain type of topologies of the plant. We can say that topology because the furnace oil is reheated in this section, and in that chemical section, the several impurities are also removed from the oil in order to optimization of the fire or for the optimization of ignition chamber, because to burn the quality fuel and to obtain such amount of ash which is not quite harmful for the environment, and industry in this regime are also quite efficient, and they are using their optimum technologies to prevent certain type of environmental pollution. You can say that this type of heaters are also equipped to increase the temperature of the fuel, which is now inserted in the furnace for the ignition of fuel, and by which water is heated and to produce steam. The certain process you might already know, but in this video I'm gonna show you the mechanism of the generation of quality fuel by the system. And now this fuel is now in the boiler to generate steam. Now I'm going to show you some the view of the boiler furnace, as well as some sort of air filters, economizer we can view in this video also. So keep in touch with me to I will upload more videos regarding some technologies also. If time permits, I will also visit conversation which is going on the system burned by the coal, burned by Chinese. So बच्चों को feijang pang जो बाजिस्ता because woman the yogi feijang pao. So this is the new 360 megawatt plant. You can see that in the video. It's the conveyor of the coal, and by gravity it falls in the burning chamber. And for moving on, you can if we go through this session, we will view more auxiliaries and more items if time permits. Okay, so keep in touch. Bye.